Does it matter that that wasn't on the tray before? If I put it back here, I can pretend that it was there all the time. Yeah. Hello, I'm Janine from Manitoba, Turkey, and today I'm excited to share with you a family favorite recipe. I have 3 teenagers and I've been making this for them since they were wee little. It might even be the first recipe that they learned to cook themselves. So today we are making a baked turkey and black bean burrito. It is a fabulous weeknight meal, especially when you're using the butterball turkey roast. The other thing I really love about these roasts is that they are Manitoba-raised and available year-round in the frozen food section of your grocery store. So I'm gonna get started and show you just how simple and easy these burritos can be. They're just the best for weeknight meals. So all we have to do really is start by mixing our filling. So we're gonna for sure start with the turkey. So we've got our turkey nicely cubed up here. And when I cook these turkey roasts, I will like to slice them, I'll like to dice them, and I can even shred them, which is really fabulous because you can use them for so many different recipes. So we'll start with the turkey. And I think we'll add the black beans next. Now I really love using a plant-based protein like black beans or pulses, so beans, peas, chickpeas, lentils, and mixing it with an animal protein like this turkey because it stretches that protein further and makes for a really affordable meal. So today we're using the black beans and I'm just using a canned black bean. Now we're gonna add in some frozen corn and some pepper. We are adding some green onion I've just chopped here. Finally, we are putting in some spices. So we have chili powder, we have cumin, some salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. So now that we've got our spices in here, we're gonna add a little bit of salsa, just kind of like binds it together. It's about a half a cup of salsa. And all you gotta do is mix it up. So you can see why this would be a really great recipe for kids to make because it's so easy. Oh, it smells so good. So just show you there. Oh, so colorful. I love these. Now we have our cheese here ready to go, but I thought I would show you how to wrap the burrito. I've met a lot of people who get a little nervous when they, have to wrap a burrito. So I thought I would show you how to do it so I know that you can do it too. So we're just gonna flip this around here, grab our tortillas. We're gonna put a scoop of our filling in the middle. Maybe we'll put a little bit more. Don't wanna overfill it because then it'll be really tough to roll. We are using some shredded cheddar cheese. Now, I like lots, so I'm gonna put extra. So, how do you roll it? We're gonna start by folding in the sides, just like that. And then you're gonna kind of have to hold it on the back end, and the side closest to your body, pull that over. Now you're gonna tuck it in a little bit, and then basically just roll it. I kind of give it a little bit of a push to kind of like seal it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put it on the pan. So let's just do one more, just to remind you. Right over and tuck it in. Kind of like tuck all that in there. And there we go. There's our tortillas. We're gonna put it on the pan with those ones. And we actually have some that are ready in the oven. So let's pull those out now and I will show you how delicious these look. Look at that. So we cooked them in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now remember that The turkey's already cooked, everything is cooked inside, so really all you're trying to do is heat it through, brown the tortilla, and melt the cheese. So it doesn't take very long. It's a really great weeknight meal for that reason. So now, which one are we gonna pick? Let's take this one here, and we're gonna cut it open and see how ooey and gooey and delicious that is. I just love how colorful it is. Look at that. So this is a fabulous family recipe, great for weeknights when you have that butterball turkey roast already prepared. It's so great and quick and kid-friendly. I hope your family loves this recipe as much as I do. If you want the recipe, you can find the link below.
We appreciate you, whether you're new to this channel or a long-time viewer. If you'd like to join us in the kitchen regularly and meet farm families across Manitoba, please subscribe. We share new videos every Sunday.